Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. This episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about oats. Now, there's a lot of ways that you can get oats. Heck, instant oatmeal. And you want to know something? You can use this like in making oatmeal cookies. Yeah, you can still use this for that. What other types of oats are there? Here's a 10-pound box of Quaker old-fashioned oats. You can get it in 25-pound bags, 50-pound bags. You can get plain old oats. You can get rolled oats. So there's a lot of different ways you can get oats to add to your diet. All right? So think about how you want your oats and what you're going to be using it for. And think out of the box in the type of oats you have and the ways you can use it. Remember, just because it's instant oats doesn't mean you can't use it in other cooking. All right? So before I take off, I'm going to put a link to a video up here you should find very interesting. A Prepper Pantry playlist down here. Over here I'm going to put another video, and I'm going to put the link to my Camp Patton Family Compound Gardening and Homesteading channel right up here. All right, take care.